Okay, everyone, the snowstorm has gotten a lot worse. Outside, we have whiteout conditions. It looks like we'll be stuck here at work for a while.
But I need to go home and feed my cat.
Don't worry, Gladys, your cat will be fine for a day or two.
A day or two?
After 3 to 4 days of not eating, a cat can get really sick, and only 24 hours before they get sick from not having any water.
Well, she does have a big bowl of water.
See, Gladys, your cat will be just fine. Okay, so I have some good news and some bad news.
Let's hear the bad news first.
No, the good news first.
Okay then, I'll flip a coin. Stacy, you call it in the air.
Heads.
It's heads. The good news is that we now have an aquarium in the hallway.
This isn't an aquarium, it's just one fish in a bowl.
Yeah, an aquarium.
One fish? I think it has to be more than one fish to be an aquarium.
John?
A building in which many different forms of aquatic life are put on display.
Aha!
Wait, it also says a receptacle such as a goldfish bowl or small tank in which fish and other aquatic life forms are kept.
Aha!
Yeah, whatever, so what's the bad news?
The bad news is that we are really behind in the inventory logging, and we need to have it all done by tonight. If any questions arise, I will be in my office. Working, of course.
Come on, guys. We should really get back to work.
What's that in the light fixture? It has a weird shape. Maybe a dead mouse?
Hey everyone, what's that in the light?
Maybe it's a glove.
Maybe it's another fish bowl. Aquarium.
Maybe it's a Glock 43X handgun.
I'm going up. Where's the ladder?
Be careful.
It's a genie lamp.
Rub it!
Oh, hello. I am a genie. And you have 3 wishes.
Okay, I wish for a bunch of money. Oh,
Oh, okay. And your second wish?
all right, I wish for all the work to be finished.
Paul, you only have one wish left.
Okay, I wish I was on an island drinking from a coconut while relaxing in a hammock.
He left his money.
Ah, now this is the life. Wait, where's my money?